What's up guys, today we will be making a really cute fall wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need, Deco mesh of course in pretty fall colors, and a wreath ring. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is take our brown and our multicolored. Going to unravel it a little bit and lie them on one on top of the other. I'm going to start with the inner ring, and let's turn this over, and I'm just going to tie it in a knot. I find that way to be just simple, but you can glue it, or multiple ways you can do this, but just tying it in a knot, and make sure it's a nice tight knot. Just like that. And this part is going to get tucked away once we start on the wreath. So what we're going to do is pull the deco mesh through the first space. Just like that. And then pull it through the second space. And I try to keep them somewhat even. If they're not perfect, it's no big deal. If you want it poofier or larger, just make the loops bigger. If you want it smaller, then make the loops smaller. Okay. So 3 loops, just like that. And then I'm going to scrunch them together. Once you scrunch, twist the deco mesh around a couple of times. And come back and do the exact same thing in the next section. So this is pretty much what we're going to do all the way around. And the deco mesh does stick to itself, so just be as careful as possible. Just like that. So cute. And then again, twist it a couple of times and start from the beginning. Again, the amount of deco mesh you need will depend on how big your loops are and how much deco mesh you have on your roll. So better safe than sorry. Just have an extra roll or two on hand so that you can use it if you need it. So you can see 2 sections. It's already looking nice and poofy. I'm going to keep doing this all the way around and show you the finished product. And when it gets close to the end, I just cut it off so it's a little bit easier for me to work with. And then you can tie it in a knot again. You can just twist it and tuck it. I usually just determine how much mesh I have left over, what I do with it. Since I don't have enough to actually tie it, I'm just going to twist it a couple of times and tuck it in the ring. And don't worry about this showing. It'll get lost in the ring once we start to fluff it out. So you just get 2 more rolls and continue on doing the exact same thing all the way around. So next I'm going to just manipulate and adjust, and you know, since we have 2 layers, you can either keep them together or you can separate them like that. Separating it just makes it even poofier. It looks really cute. So you just separate and adjust. So I'm just going to do this all the way around. And actually I'm not going to separate every single piece, just random pieces. Whatever you feel looks best. And there you have it, a nice poofy wreath. And all items were purchased at the dollar store, so this wreath cost less than $10. Modify the colors and whatever you'd like. If you want to do 3 colors, you can definitely do that, but just have fun with it and make it your own. So cute and precious. Again, I use 4 rolls, but you can use 6 rolls if you want the wreath bigger and poofier, so just keep that in mind. The amount of deco mesh you need depends on how big and poofy you want your wreath. So 2 rolls for 3 sections for a total of 4 rolls. So cute and adorable and simple to do. So you can put something really pretty in the center if you'd like. You can add some embellishments like little turkeys or pumpkins or whatever you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But I also think it looks so cute and adorable just like this. But go with whatever you prefer. It's completely up to you. Just have fun with it.